how to do dumbbell curls. So dumbbell curls, we're going to keep our palm up in a supinated position. We're going to keep our elbow locked in next to our hip. Starting from there, a lot of people will come all the way up. It's supposed to on the joint. We want to keep it about 60-degree angle. So going down, we're going to rotate back into a neutral position. So as if we were to do a thumbs up motion, my thumb is all the way around my hand in this case. And so we're going to come up. Once you've cleared the thigh, right, rotate that thing so your palm is up. Alternate the other side. You can also do this at the same time. It's going to be more challenging. Take your time with it. About 2 seconds up, 2 seconds down. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 1 1,000, 2 1,000. Right. And that's how you do a dumbbell curl.
If you want to see more workout videos that include a PDF that you can download, take to the gym with you, print off. If you want more fit foods, basically a recipe book, if you will, of what you can do to both satisfy the palate, but also help with your recovery and efforts in the gym. More vlogs, very similar to this, but in a more organized, broken down fashion that you can go step by step and really get the most out of it in an organized way. And basically, taking you from your fitness of A all the way through Z, giving you your blueprint fitness plan to get from beginner to intermediate to advanced, and anything in between. So check out davidtoddmiller.com for that. And if you guys have any questions, comments, put them in the comments below. Feel free to reach out at info@davidtoddmiller.com. And as always, have fun, work hard, and I'll catch you in the next video.